Hey guys, Kent here from Wood Metal Workshop. Had a few questions about my camera setup. So here's a future video on this mount. Articulated arm, spring loaded. Allows you to move the camera with this tripod head on it so you can swing and tilt and do all that stuff. Canon T5i camera. But the interesting thing I think on this is we have a battery eliminator. You can get these off Amazon for just about any camera. So and this one goes to USB. Then I have a USB adapter onto a rigid 18 volt tool battery. Now this will last for hours and hours and hours of shooting. That's a 4 amp hour. You can use the smaller 2 amp hour ones. They make these battery eliminators for just about any brand of battery. So you can get that. USB cable works great. Anyways guys, that's the camera setup that I use primarily. As you can tell right now I'm shooting this on my phone, so things are a little jerky and not great, but that's what we got. And then I do have another Canon T5i, which isn't in the shop right now. Somebody's borrowing it, that I use for B-roll and stuff. So, yeah, this is the primary camera, autofocus lens. I said the camera mount, this is just the prototype. We're going to be building that in a future video, how to build that, and I'll probably give some dimensions and whatnot for what I've got. Pretty simple build actually. Don't even really need any fancy tools. Anyhow, yeah, and then like I said, it's got the tripod mount. Get that on Amazon. Probably when I do the mount video, I will put that in the link in the description. And then the interesting thing is the battery eliminator. So really easy to move this around the shop because, well, right now I've got it on one of my stands that I made in another video. It just sits on there. Otherwise it's magnetic base and mounts to anything steel that's thick enough. So, all right guys, catch you in the next one.